Roadmap to become an autonomous systems engineer. Imagine a world where machines can think, decide, and act on their own. Self-driving cars navigating busy roads, drones delivering packages, robots working without human control. This is not the future anymore. This is happening now. And behind all of this are autonomous systems engineers. An autonomous systems engineer designs systems that can operate independently, without constant human input. They combine AI, robotics, sensors, and real-time decision-making. If you want to enter one of the most exciting tech careers, this is your roadmap. First, you need a strong foundation in programming. Languages like Python and C++ are essential, because autonomous systems require both intelligence and performance. Python helps you work with AI models, while C++ is used for real-time system control. Next, you need to understand the basics of robotics. How machines move, how they interact with the environment, and how control systems work. Because an autonomous system is not just software. It's software controlling real-world hardware. Then comes the heart of autonomy: artificial intelligence. You'll learn machine learning and deep learning. How systems learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Computer vision is a key part here. Because machines need to see the world, you'll work with cameras and image processing, detecting objects, lanes, obstacles. Another critical area is sensor fusion. Autonomous systems use multiple sensors like LiDAR, radar, and GPS. You'll learn how to combine all this data to create a clear understanding of the environment. Because one sensor is never enough. Then comes localization and mapping. How does a system know where it is? You'll learn techniques like SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping. This helps machines navigate in unknown environments. Next is path planning and decision-making. Once a system understands its environment, it must decide what to do next. Turn left. Stop. Avoid obstacles. These decisions must be fast and accurate, because even a small delay can cause failure. As you grow, you'll work with simulation tools. Before testing in the real world, systems are trained and tested in virtual environments. This reduces risk and improves reliability. You'll also learn frameworks like ROS, Robot Operating System, which helps in building and managing robotic applications. Finally, real-world testing and optimization. Because theory is not enough. Autonomous systems must perform in unpredictable conditions. Rain, traffic, noise. Anything can happen. And your system must handle it. This is not just a job. It's building the future of intelligent machines. Become an autonomous systems engineer and create systems that can think, move, and act on their own.